childrens. Today I agree welcome you all to the students 5th standard. Today I am going teach you computer science. Our topic is Microsoft Publisher 2007. What is meant by Microsoft Publisher? Microsoft Publisher is a desktop publishing software that allows you to make creative documents like browsers, newsletters, flyers, greeting cards, and many more. What does a MS Publisher do? MS Publisher creates newspapers, newsletters, magazines, advertisements, flyers, invitations, brochures, notice, program, tar paper, and many more. Getting started pane. You can see the getting started pane after you have opened your MS Publisher window. Okay, childrens? We see the pictures. Let's you select ready-made documents or blank pages. Now I tell you Microsoft Publisher's basic parts and functions. Okay, childrens? Now I tell first toolbars. There are several toolbars in MS Publisher which are also present in different MS Office software, MS Word, PowerPoint and Excel. There are also unique toolbars that are only present in MS Publisher. We see the Windows MS Publisher. Okay, childrens? Now we see the toolbars. We right now read. We see the toolbars. Rulers, menu bar, taskbar, publisher task, object toolbar, formatting, standard toolbar, picture toolbar. Okay, childrens? We see the white paper working area. I tell one by one. I explain for toolbars. First I tell you standard toolbar. We see the pictures. Standard toolbar. It contains buttons for common functions. It is used as a shortcut icon for frequently used commands such as saving, undoing, actions or zooming. Okay? And next I tell you formatting toolbar. It contains buttons for common text formatting options. It is used for formatting text and such as changing font face, size, alignment and line spacing. Next, object toolbar. The object toolbar usually located at the left side of the MS Publisher window, but for some it's located at the bottom of the window. We see the pictures. Objects toolbar. This toolbar provides quick access to insert object actions. It allows you to insert text boxes, tables and shape in your workspace. Okay, childrens? Publisher task toolbar. This toolbar lets you know what other features MS Publishers caters. It also gives you tips in making your publications better. We see it. Format publications task pane. And we see the pictures. When the publisher's task button is clicked on its toolbar, selections of tips and other useful features of MS Publisher will appear on the task pane. And if you will Click the change template or change paper size button. A window will appear which gives you a complete selections of what you need in your publication. Quick publications options located on the below the task pane, which lets you to have a quick access in changing templates or page size. And we see the pictures change template window. And next we see the pictures change paper size. How to making a page boundary? Okay children, represents the edges of the paper. It indicates whether part of the layout is included or not when printing. Page margin. Page margin. We see the pictures. Page margin. How to develop page margin? This part indicates that text and graphics are to be placed inside the blue dotted lines only. We see the blue dotted lines only. And how to make a rulers? A tool to help the user to measure the length of text boxes, images and other objects relative to how they will appear in print, used to accurately place object and text and when setting tabs. And how to make a page icons. Okay children. And next we see the pictures MS Publisher window. And we see the toolbars buttons on the objects toolbar. Select objects, text box, insert table, insert word art, picture frame. And we see the select object. We see the icons, only select object icons. We see the icons pictures. Okay children. Select lines, shapes, graphics, text box and other object for resizing, deleting, moving and other actions. And we see the pictures text box and insert table. Create text box for inserting text, creates tables. And we see the pictures insert word art and picture frame. It is used for word art, adds word art to the publications, and pictures is used to add a pictures frame or pictures from clipboard, scanners, cameras, files. And we see the pictures buttons on the object toolbars. And we see the pictures line, arrow, oval, rectangle and auto shapes. We see the pictures, we are all the shapes. And we see the pictures bookmark. And we see the pictures design gallery. And we see the pictures shortcut method for icons. And we see it publishers keyboard shortcuts. I now tell you sample output. This one certificate and first page, fourth page, one page and second, third page and front page, first page, second page. Thank you children.